Welcome back to Priority Problem Solvers, your go-to channel for mastering the art of problem solving. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Lean Six Sigma and how it can revolutionize operational excellence, especially in lean manufacturing environments. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful methodology that combines lean manufacturing principles and Six Sigma tools to optimize processes, reduce waste, and improve quality. But what does that really mean for your operations? Let's break it down. Lean manufacturing focuses on eliminating waste, anything that doesn't add value to the customer, while Six Sigma targets reducing variability in processes to ensure consistent quality. When combined, Lean Six Sigma drives operational excellence by streamlining workflows and enhancing efficiency. At Priority Problem Solvers, we believe that mastering these principles is key to driving sustainable improvement in any organization. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, or any other industry, Lean Six Sigma can help you solve complex problems and achieve your operational goals. Lean manufacturing, often seen as the backbone of operational excellence, focuses on maximizing value by minimizing waste. But it's not just about cutting costs. It's about improving the entire value stream. From reducing lead times to enhancing product quality, Lean principles ensure that every step of the process is as efficient as possible. So, how can you start implementing Lean Six Sigma in your operations? It all starts with understanding your current processes and identifying areas where waste occurs. Tools like value stream mapping, Kaizen, and 5S can help you visualize and improve your workflows. Value stream mapping allows you to see the flow of materials and information in your process, helping you identify bottlenecks and opportunities for improvement. Kaizen encourages continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. And 5S, a workplace organization method, ensures that your environment is clean, organized, and efficient. But Lean Six Sigma isn't just about tools. It's a mindset. It's about fostering a culture of continuous improvement, where every team member is empowered to identify problems and contribute to solutions. Operational excellence is the ultimate goal. It's the result of applying Lean Six Sigma principles to create a culture of high performance and efficiency. When done right, it leads to better products, happier customers, and a more profitable business. At Priority Problem Solvers, we're here to guide you on this journey. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your Lean Six Sigma efforts to the next level, we've got the insights and strategies you need to succeed. Ready to dive deeper into Lean Six Sigma and operational excellence? Check out our playlist for more in-depth videos, and don't forget to leave your questions in the comments below. We're here to help you solve your most challenging problems and achieve your operational goals. Thanks for watching Priority Problem Solvers, where we make problem solving your priority. See you in the next video.